Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your own emoji on iOS 18. This is an exciting feature that lets you create custom emojis using AI, perfect for adding a personal touch to your messages. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. Once you're inside, make sure to turn this feature on. Keep in mind that this option is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and newer models. Because I have an iPhone 11, I don't really have that feature, so I will tell you what you have to do. After enabling it, open any app that uses the keyboard, like Messages or Notes. When the keyboard pops up, you'll notice a new AI option. Again, I am using an iPhone 11, so I don't have it, but you should. Tap on it and you'll see a prompt where you can describe your custom emoji. For example, type something like dog with a hat, and the AI will generate an emoji based on your description. You can be as creative as you like, just describe what you want, and it will bring your idea to life. And that's it. You've just created your own personalized emoji. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.